Desidido ka na bang mag-reserve ng unit dito kay Sabana South? Ano nga ba yung mga requirements na kailangan natin isubmit upon reservation? Number 1, proof of income. Kung ikaw ay locally employed, kailangan natin magpasa ng COEC and 3 months payslip. At kung ikaw naman ay OFW, kailangan natin mag-submit ng ating job contract. Number 2, 2 valid IDs. Number 3, yung ating proof of billing. So, halimbawa, hindi sa'yo nakapangalan yung ating proof of billing, kailangan lang natin mag-request ng authorization letter from the owner of the billing along with his or her ID. Number 4, PSA birth certificate. At kung ikaw naman ay married, kailangan natin magpasa ng ating marriage certificate. Number 5, 5 pieces of printed 1x1 ID. Kailangan white background and kailangan formal po yung ating attire. Number 6, yung ating TIN verified. So, maaari mo itong gawin through online, through our ORUS, or pwede ka rin mag-request ng ating BAR 1904. And lastly, kung ikaw naman ay Pag-ibig Financing, kailangan natin mag-submit ng ating e-sub or yung screenshot ng ating virtual Pag-ibig na naglalaman ng ating membership category, employer detail, and also the number of our contribution.